High-temperature polyester tape is a type of tape that is made with a polyester backing and a silicone adhesive. It is designed to withstand high temperatures, making it ideal for use in the production of laminated glass with SGP EVA interlayer. High-temperature polyester tape is used to hold the glass and SGP EVA interlayer in place. During the lamination process, the tape helps to prevent the SGP EVA interlayer from shifting during the lamination process and ensures that the laminated glass is properly bonded. We can also offer long roll of green tape. The specification is 0.083 mm thickness, ABD 1280 in width and 66 meters linear length. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Our mail address is cnc@cncglass.com.